In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira dashboard in under 10 minutes. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Jira, you'll be able to follow along and have a working dashboard by the end. First, open your Jira project and look for the Dashboard section in the top navigation. On most Jira setups, you'll see a Dashboards option in the main menu. When you're on the Dashboards page, look for a plus sign or an option to create a new dashboard, usually located beside the word dashboard or near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This is what starts the process of creating a brand new dashboard for your team. Once you click it, Jira will open a form where you need to fill in some basic details. Take a moment here. These details will help you and your teammates understand what this dashboard is for. Start with a clear, descriptive name. For example, something like Team Sprint Overview or Release Readiness Dashboard, depending on your needs. Then, add a short description that explains what kind of information the dashboard will show and who it's intended for. This is especially useful in larger teams where many dashboards may exist. Next, set the sharing or permissions options. Decide whether this dashboard should be private to you, shared with a specific team or project, or visible to everyone in your organization. If you're not sure, you can start with a more restrictive setting and open it up later once you've finalized the layout. Taking a moment to think about access now can prevent confusion or accidental exposure of sensitive project data later on. When you're happy with the name, description, and sharing settings, click the Save button. This creates the dashboard shell and takes you to the next stage where you'll actually start building out the content. After saving, Jira will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow these prompts to add gadgets or widgets to your dashboard. These might include issue statistics, sprint burndown charts, assigned to me lists, or activity streams. For each gadget, you'll typically choose a project or filter, and then adjust the display options so the information is meaningful at a glance. Take your time to experiment a little. You can always drag gadgets around, resize them, or remove ones you don't find useful. When you're done following the prompts,